In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view trading history in Exness. If you want to review your past trades, check open positions, or simply keep better track of your account activity, Exness makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly find the information you need. To begin, go to your Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading accounts and access account-related tools. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the main interface of your personal area so you can see the navigation menu clearly. From there, look for the trading tab in the main menu and click on it. This section contains tools and pages related to your trading activity, so it's the place you'll usually visit when you want to review orders, positions, and account performance. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to notice how the menu is organized because this will help you move around more efficiently in the future. After opening the trading section, click on History of Orders. This will take you to the page where Exness displays your order records. It's the main area for checking previous activity, and it gives you a clearer picture of what has happened in your account over a selected period of time. Once you're on the order history page, choose your preferred account and time range. This step is important because many users have more than one trading account, and selecting the correct one ensures you're looking at the right data. Then set the time range based on what you want to review. For example, you might choose a recent period if you only want to check today's or this week's activity, or select a wider range if you're doing a broader review of your trading history. Next, choose between closed orders or open orders. Closed orders will show trades that have already been completed, which is useful if you want to analyze results, confirm execution details, or review your past decisions. Open orders, on the other hand, help you monitor positions that are still active. Choosing the right view will depend on whether you're looking back at completed activity or checking what's currently running in the market. And that's it. Once you've selected the account, time range, and order type, you'll be able to view the trading history you need in Exness. As a quick tip, always double check that your filters are set correctly if something looks missing, since the selected account or date range often affects what appears on the page.